Alright, this is a video about how to make peanut brittle. Alright, we're going to start with a cup of sugar. This is a half a cup of white corn syrup. Add 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and stir this up until the sugar is dissolved. You don't want this sugar to stay crystallized on the side, so stir it long enough until all that sugar is dissolved, or use a wet paper towel to wipe the sides. Keep stirring it until all those crystals are dissolved. Leave it to boil till it reaches 300 degrees. If you're using raw peanuts, you can add a cup of raw peanuts now. If you're using roasted peanuts, well then wait until it reaches 300 degrees and then you can add the peanuts. This should turn into a golden color. If you worry about it burning, just give it a gentle stir, but keep an eye on it. It's almost there. I kept a pan warm in the oven to help the brittle spread easier. Use a candy thermometer, or you can use the cold water method to test to see if it's hard enough. Add 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Move quickly. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I turned off the heat, but I'm still kind of working too slow. I need to speed it up because I need to incorporate this baking soda, and then I need to add the butter and the peanuts, and that's going to cool it down a lot. First I add my peanuts. Alright, here we go. We don't have time to play around. Spread it out over the pan as quickly as you can. I'm doing this one-handed, so I will show you it when it's done. Now when it's thick like this, you can just keep spreading it out to stretch it to make it thinner, kind of like Hercules Candies does. They make their peanut brittle nice and thin. The warm pan helps because then I can keep stretching it a little bit. There you go, peanut brittle. Looks delicious. We'll see how it tastes. Alright, you can hit it with a mallet, or you can just break it into pieces when it gets hard. Let's try it. Mmm, nice and crunchy. There we go. This is great to use as gifts over the holidays, or just to eat for fun because it's really not that hard. Whoa! I'm going to try coating some of this with tempered chocolate. See how it, whoa, kind of slippery. Whoa, stop. All right, whoa, okay. This is misbehaving. Hey, get on there. Whoa, you're feisty. Okay, that's enough. Have a bigger platter than this. All right, stay still for the photo, please. Thank you. I think that the addition of the butter gives this a nice toffee buttery flavor, but you can leave out the butter if you want. I think that that is what cools it down, plus the peanuts in the end will cool it down very quickly. So just work fast, but this is a really great recipe. Thanks for watching.